Mangrove adaptations. Mangroves are a salt-adapted evergreen forest found in the intertidal zone of tropical and subtropic latitudes. They are generally found along shorelines where they are sheltered from strong currents or wave action, and they rely on the accumulation of alluvium. Mangrove habitat is an important source of food and shelter for fish, birds, and marine animals. An adaptation is a heritable trait that helps an organism, such as a plant or animal, survive and reproduce in its environment. It is the process of change where an organism or species becomes better suited to its environment. Mangrove live in salty conditions and are regularly inundated by water. Adaptations are required to survive in these conditions. There is species variation for mangroves in different locations around the world. This video will concentrate on mangroves in Australia. Let's start by looking at the adaptation related to mangrove roots. Pneumatophores. Pneumatophores are spongy vertical extensions from the cable roots into the atmosphere. They contain numerous holes called lenticels which absorb oxygen. This enables the tree to deal with waterlogged conditions. Long, extended roots. Mangrove trees have anchor roots. This adaptation ensures that moving tides do not pull the tree out of the soil or wash the tree away. There are also a range of adaptations to mangrove leaves to enable them to survive in their environment. Leaves excrete salt. Mangrove trees exist in saline and brackish water and as such are exposed to large amounts of salt. The ability to excrete salt from their leaves enables mangroves to excrete excess amounts of salt. The grey mangrove excretes salt from the bottom side of the leaf. The river mangrove excretes salt from the top side of the leaf. Waxy cuticle covering. Mangrove leaves have a waxy cuticle covering on the top of the leaf. This enables water to be conserved by reducing evaporation from epidermal cells. Fine hairs. The underside of the leaf of mangroves is covered in fine hairs to produce a microclimate around the stomats, reducing evaporation. Floating seeds. The seed of mangrove trees are buoyant so they can be carried to other sites once they have been dropped into the water. They also germinate on the parent tree so they can grow quickly when they are washed up onto suitable soil.